Management, SLIM Council of Education and the resource panel. Starting with my immediate right hand seat, Mr. Jonica De Silva, Head of Data, Airtel, is a senior lecturer, is one of the resource persons in the Diploma in Strategic Brand Management panel. And Mr. Ruwan Lianagamage, the Vice President of Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing. Next to Mr. Lianagamage is Mr. Sanath Senanayake, the CEO and Executive Director of Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing. Next to Mr. Senanayake, Mr. Pradeep Edward, the Assistant Secretary of Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing. And in the last seat, Mr. Ashan Abutantri, one of the key person who drive this launch of Diploma in Strategic Brand Management, the resource person, one of the resource person in the Diploma in Strategic Brand Management panel. With that, it's our duty to officially welcome you. It's a typical Sri Lankan behavior when we invite somebody to our home to welcome. So to do the honors, let me invite Mr. Pradeep Edward, the Assistant Secretary of Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Wow, great. So, it's my personal duty on behalf of the President and Council and the Exco of Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing to warmly welcome all of you to this Diploma in Brand Management program conducted by the National Institute of Marketing, SLIM. So, I will not go into much detail with regards to the course area or anything else because we have two experts here. One is our immediate past president, Mr. Jonica De Silva, who will elaborate further on what's the importance of brands. And we have a senior lecturer here, Mr. Ashan Abutantri, who also will further take you on that. Let me talk to you about SLIM, and just to get an idea, can I know who is doing a program at SLIM for the first time? Hands up, please. For the first time at SLIM. Right. So I assume others have done some sort of program at SLIM. So there's quite a number of people who are doing a program for the first time at SLIM. So may I welcome you once again warmly to SLIM Home, the home of marketing, the home of Sri Lankan marketing, and also just give you a brief introduction of what you can do here. What's the difference than going to study a program in another institute? What is the greatest advantage you get when you come to SLIM Home? Now you all have come to study about brands and to be focusing on brands, to position brands in your relative jobs and in your relative areas. Here at SLIM, you get more than education. This is something that we always talk. Why we say that is because most of the national events like Brand Excellence, People's Awards, NASCO, right? Most of these awards programs, which is highly reputed in the marketing fraternity, is conducted by SLIM. So when you are a student at SLIM, when you are studying a program at SLIM, you have the opportunity, you have the privilege, you have the chance of being involved in these particular committees. Not all at a time, but all of you will have opportunity while studying, while going through your process of studies, to make something else, to get a little extra, where you will not get anywhere. Just imagine you being involved in a working committee of Brand Excellence or People's Awards, FE Awards. This gives you additional value to your CV, right? It gives you additional value to your CV, gives you additional knowledge. It makes you more practical of what you are studying. Now, with regards to this program has gone through a lot of thinking, and I'm sure